we're seeing so far in this in Q1 reporting of 2024, it's quite an upbeat momentum for European equities. Because let me show you what I wrote back in March. Europe is having its worst earnings season since the onset of COVID. That was in the aftermath of Q4 reporting. However, things have changed for European equities. Let me show you these numbers from Deutsche Bank because they clearly highlight what is happening in Europe at this stage. Look, earnings growth are up 9% on the quarter. And looking at the sectorial breakdown, if you were to exclude banks, we would only see a 2% growth there. So what does that mean? That European banks have been playing a critical role here when it comes to this outperformance of European equities so far in this Q1 reporting. Let me show you how they have been trading relatively to the stock 600. So some of the momentum that we are hearing from European banks is translating into the share price reaction. Since the start of April, European banks are up by more than 5%, clearly outperforming the rest of the stock 600. Now, there's two reasons really why we're seeing European equities moving higher in this first quarter of 2024. First and foremost, the expectations were pretty low, as we really awaited to hear from the companies. And on top of that, economic performance has actually been above what analysts were expecting. So the critical question here at this stage, Frank, is, well, is this going to continue? Are we going to see European equities continuing to beat their analyst expectations? Well, we have to wait to see what will happen there. However, Deutsche Bank did outline that 12% of the companies that reported so far, they increased their guidance for the year, and only 5% cut their guidance. So let's see what else of 2024 will have in store for us. But so far, a positive earnings season for European equities.